Welcome back to EV Kiwis. My name is Dhruv and today we start the process of putting accessories into a Tesla Model Y, which we only picked up a couple of weeks ago. Now at this moment it is completely stock, so we'll be taking it from nothing to everything. First up though, we gotta protect it. Now one thing that you'll find out when you purchase a Tesla is that the floor mats that come with the car are not exactly the most robust ones out there. They are essentially the same carpet material as the rest of the car's flooring, so don't really offer too much protection. And that's why today we're going to take a look at these all-weather floor mats and front and trunk liners from JOWUA. First of all, I absolutely love how these look. This carbon fiber type pattern is really cool, which gives it more of a rugged look when compared to some of the other plain looking boring mats I've seen. I personally think it makes it look quite premium rather than some rubbery cheap looking alternative. Now I guess if you want something a little more classy or not so weatherproof, these might not be the best option for you. But if you're living here in a country like New Zealand where it's usually really wet, or if you're always hitting the beach, you are going to need something that's a little more grippy and something that can contain the mud, the sand, the snow, and the rain. These are a great option for that. So you can see here that these have a nice high wall liner, which means that they're going to contain anything you could possibly bring in the car. And even if you have something stuck on the side of your shoes, these high walls are going to keep it off the carpet that's on the side of your car. Also on the bottom here, you have a little spot for your wet umbrella. So you can take your umbrella, stick it down there and it will hold it in place. One thing I'm not a big fan of, however, is this massive JOWUA branding on these mats. Don't get me wrong, it doesn't look bad at all, but it's just that I would have personally liked it to be a little smaller. Then of course for the back seats. I love that it's one complete piece which goes all the way underneath the seats and has the same carbon fiber pattern. Now also included with these floor mats are these vent covers for the two air vents underneath the back seat of the Model Y, which prevents small objects and debris from getting into the air vent. There's also these liners for your frunk, the underfloor storage in your trunk, and for the floor of your boot. These offer great protection when you're storing items that have been out in the dirt, rain or snow, as they're washable, which makes it very easy to clean. Now the biggest thing I look for is a perfect fit. There's so many options out there that simply don't fit that well, but after having tried these, I can say with confidence that these ones fit really well. Another important thing to note here is that these come with an anti-skid Velcro at the back, so once you put them on the downside inside your car, they're not going to move around and they're going to pretty much stick to wherever you put them. Now let's talk about the price. So first of all, the set of 3 floor mats has just been reduced from $240 to $225. And the set of 3 front and trunk liners cost $150. This is right about where you expect to see these higher end high quality mats to be priced at. Now JOWUA does give our viewers a 5% discount, so I'll put all that information down in the description below and as a pinned comment as well. So if you're looking for all-weather floor mats for your Tesla that are going to last you through all the seasons and everything that you have to throw at them, these are a great option. If you found this video useful, then also check out this one. Alright, until next time, stay charged.